So traders, today is 30th of June, end of the month, end of the week, and end of the day. What a blessing Friday, guys. Beautiful trade on pound yen. Let me share with you in 4-hour chart. If you look at the 4-hour chart, this is what I explained to my trader. If you look at the price was at the support level, so we were expecting this breakout opportunity. So we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. After that, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullbacks. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. But before that, if you look at even here in trading view, this is the structure we define or explain my trader look for this breakout. So based on the intraday analysis, this is the opportunities develop. So first of all, we also had the short trade here this morning, bank few pp's. Based on the structure, price could not basically maintain above this previous high. If you look at here, this is the analysis. Price nicely broken, beautiful short trade, bank some profit, and as explained, look here, this is the structure. Let the market, if the price develop any other correction, then looking a short here. Otherwise, if we need an impulsive move, if the price cannot break this level. So this is what we explained to our trader, and let me share with you guys how I analyze. You can see a pretty straightforward. Another structure as explained in detail. This is the most important thing. If you look at how the price developed this structure, broken this previous high, and as explained trader, I think the market is going to shoot up and look for the long trade here. So you can see a price nicely developed, long momentum was developing bullish, and afterwards, as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So any pullback, as you can see after the breakout, we just basically helping our trader not to miss any opportunity. So we have this breakout based on the previous analysis. Afterwards, we have this pullback, we have another pullback, and as explained, my trader keep enjoying amazing long trade on pound yen and keep banking beautiful profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy this analysis more if you watch it live. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.